Today, we will be demonstrating how to do a decoction. Supplies you will need include your Reclaimed Roots Tea Blend, a ceramic coated or stainless steel pot, a bowl, a strainer, a measuring spoon, and a measuring cup. In this demonstration, I am starting out by pouring 4 cups of cold water into the pot, and I'm measuring out 3 tablespoons of the turmeric chai tea blend. We want to start by using cold water as different herbs begin to release constituents at different temperatures. After measuring the tea blend into the pot, simmer at medium-low heat and cover with a lid. After about 20 to 25 minutes of simmering, the tea is nearly ready. Turn off the heat and keep covered for another 5 to 10 minutes for the tea to steep a bit longer and cool slightly. After cooling for 10 minutes, the tea is ready to be strained. Take your freshly brewed pot of tea and use your strainer to strain the tea into a large bowl. After straining, notice how I place my strainer with the herbs still in it to rest on the pot I used for my decoction. You can save these herbs and store them in the freezer for the next time you decide to make a batch of tea. Remember that previously decocted herbs can always be used at least once more. Now that you have poured your tea into a container with a leak-proof lid, enjoy both hot or cold when stored for up to 3 days in the fridge.